Hello everyone, tesa lam sogo jotono ani katal video tini khe chingshurung lainai trigonometrical identities ni bare. First of all, trigonometrical identities ni porna sekang jeng saimana nango trigonometry tamno hun. So before knowing about trigonometrical identities, we need to know first of all what does the term trigonometry actually means. So trigonometry means the science which deals with the measurement of triangles. Garas how trigonometry hinkai basically kaisa science je triangles ni measurement by deal klayo. Hinkai amo hinkai trigonometry kaisa branch of mathematics je kaisa angle bete kaisa angle ni tamu relationship ngate kaisa side bete kaisa side triangle ni tamu relationship abo jotto no naikani klayo, especially right angle triangle ni. So hinkai aro kaisa angle bete kaisa angle te kaisa side bete kaisa side ni relationships karyo sin cos tan cot no use klai ka tabu khai chung trigonometrical ratios ni bare shurungai. Mainly there are 6 trigonometrical ratios relating to 3 sides of a right angle triangle. Nge kaisa right angle triangle nge bom hai ikom hai amti haino right angle triangle heno mainly right angle triangle o 3 sides dong. Kaisa side no hono hypotenuse, kaisa side no hono base, te kaisa side no hono perpendicular. Je side, je angle 90 degree form khai tong chung to tabuk su ratio 90 degree means betai kaisa straight ngai ating jak. Ga abono hono perpendicular. Gai mainly right angle triangle 3 sides tongo. Ga all 3 sides no relate khlai 6 trigonometrical ratios formongo. Abo hungkai jingta kaisa kaisa kai nai lai ngai tabuk hingkai jeng sin ni sin hingkai perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular hingkai abo hypotenuse hingkai abo. So sin a equals to perpendicular BC hingkai hypotenuse hingkai AC. Base means this side. The base is known as the base only. Now again we are coming for cosine. Cosine base by hypotenuse. Which one is base? AB. Hypotenuse side is AC. Next, tangent. Tangent is perpendicular by base. The perpendicular side is BC and the base is AB. Then comes cotangent, means cot. It mainly means base by perpendicular. Base is AB, perpendicular is BC. So AB by BC. Then we are coming for secant, that is sec. Hypotenuse by base. Here hypotenuse is AC, base is AB. So AC by AB. So sec A is hypotenuse AC, base AB. Then cosecant, that is cosec, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Our hypotenuse is AC and the perpendicular is BC. So AC by BC. To solve any of the trigonometrical problems and to find the relationship between any angles, mane je kuno trigonometrical sum rock solve kanya hangkai kheba chung kuno angle by angle ni kaisa triangle ni relationship kaina hangkai kuno side by side ni triangle ni relationship kaina hangkai chung trigonometrical ratios amo jotto je tongmani choita abo chung nango saimanani amo saimakai chung ekdom klaing nai je kuno sum klangne bagai ka chung tabu shurung lainai kaisa trigonometrical ratio by te kaisa trigonometrical ratio ni bisingo tamo rishta tong. That means tam relation tong borok bahake gusti jai tiklai am nai lengi chung tabuk. Puila hangkai about reciprocate relations. Bong bisingo buti hai reciprocate relations angaiman. Puila hangkai chung sin a ni hangkai ratio perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cosec a ni ratio hangkai hypotenuse by perpendicular. Kuniya na chung nai mano kaisa ni bobini ulta hangkai bobini ulta. Gai sin a hangkai sabni ulta cosec a ni ulta. Boni ratio. Gai sin a equals to 1 by cosec a. Gai cosec a hangkai sin a ni ulta. Gai jeng bono simano cosec a equals to 1 by sin a. Cos a ni jeng simano base by hypotenuse. Sec a ni hangkai amoni just ulta hypotenuse by base. Mane tamo cos a hangkai sec ni ulta, sec a hangkai cos ni ulta. Hangkai jeng abon beke siman cos a hangkai iko sec no ulta khlai rika reciprocal khlai sec a hangkai cos no ulta khlai rika. Next hangkai tan a by cot a ni. Tan ni hangkai perpendicular by base, cot a ni hangkai base by perpendicular. Hangkai chung simano tan a hangkai ta cot ni ultang kha, cot a hangkai tan ni ultang kha. Hangkai chung simano tan a equals to 1 by cot a equals to 1 by tan a. एरपरे हिंके जों फरायनाय quotient relations नि बारे quotient तामनो होन जेफ्रु जों काइसना बते काइसना आबुनो डिवाइड खालाय जे आन्सर फाइनि आबुनो quotient होनो गा quotient नि तै काइसा रिलेशन ताबुक जों सुरंनायनि जों शिव sin a हंकाय perpendicular by hypotenuse cos a हंकाय base by hypotenuse हंकाय ताबुक जों quotient means to divide नि कक फायु जों ताबुक sin a by cos a खाय तमा आन्सर मान आबु नायलायनि sin a हंकाय तामो perpendicular by hypotenuse आं रोखा cos a हंकाय base by hypotenuse रोखा आं तलाव गा जों शिव आमपिक काइसा fraction form खाय दंगो but mo double fraction थांका out of fraction then fraction गा जों बनो सुबायनि first सुबायना बागै जों अरा सुनै perpendicular by hypotenuse into अजतलानि आबु reciprocal अंगै multiply खालायफ्रुकाय reciprocal ang थानाय जतलानि साका थांपायनाय so hypotenuse साका थांका base तला थांपायखिया into hypotenuse by base गा जों ताम खायखिया hypotenuse by hypotenuse जों obviously cut खालायमानो गा cut खालाय ताम तरुखा only perpendicular by base गा perpendicular by base गै तामनि जों मुतुमान 10 नि गै 10a फायु गा बंनि quotient ताम फायखिया sin a by cos a नो divide खालाय 10a गामुनि बंनि अमुनो बंनि quotient relation जे बंनो divide खालाय 10a फायु as a quotient next के similarly cos by sin नि बो जों cos a नि शिव base by hypotenuse sin a नि ratio अंका जों शिव perpendicular by hypotenuse अंका जों ताक बंनि quotient कारिनाय cos a by sin a divide खालाय cos a जों शिव base by hypotenuse sin a perpendicular by base बंनो सिका as a divide दो जों बोना ताबुक सागात लाङै multiply खायनाय reciprocal way वो base by hypotenuse into जतलानि सागा थानाय hypotenuse by perpendicular hypotenuse no cut खायनाय ताम तरुखा base by perpendicular base by perpendicular हंके cot any trigonometrical ratio next हंकाय हंका अरा जों बंनो divide खाय as a quotient ताम मांखा cot a square relation next हंकाय square relation जों all right angle triangle जों शिवो b हंका obviously 90 degree amति right angle form खाय तंगो Pythagoras theorem जों छैमनो ab square plus bc square equals to ac square के बोमो अमो Pythagoras theorem साउ जे hypotenuse तामनो होन right angle नि opposite angle no hypotenuse हनो Pythagoras theorem साउ जे hypotenuse नि square हंकाय bini opposite two sides ni square by equal so hypotenuse ni square equals to bin other two sides ab square plus bc square mo gatabok jeng sin a ni sinai sin a hingkai bc by ac perpendicular by hypotenuse cos a hingkai base by hypotenuse shikya gbokrnya tabok square khai plus khainai sin square a plus cos square a o jebong ni side oboring bo square ang bai hingai ac square LCM khlainai hingai bc square plus ab square phaika iko bc square plus ab square hinga tam phainai jing as already show Pythagoras theorem by ac square hingai ab square plus bc square gar ab square plus bc square phaika so that means amo ac square so ac square by ac square equals to 1 I think tabu clear ang khana je kono sum trigonometrical sum khaipro chungtangai sin square a plus cos square a hinggai 1 rom just because of this so tini bagai asuk no so I hope norok buji bakha trigonometrical ratios and bong ni each other by tamo relations tong bahai relations tong mainly relation tong hinggai tamo quotient relation square relations hingkai tai reciprocal relation first hingkai 6 trigonometrical ratios bong ni ratio rok thike kaham kam naikhinyo each and every sum khane belai lying thango so tini baga asuk no hambai